Hey Maker. As a small business owner, more than likely running the entire show yourself, it's really nice if you can find ways to streamline your workflow and make things faster, especially when it comes to product photography. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to photograph your products faster, especially when you have multiple products to photograph. When you sell similar products, it's really great if you can create one styled setup and then just plug and play each of those products into that setup. So today I am working with some skincare products. These are facial oils. So I've created this shelfie concept that is kind of emulating a shelf in a bathroom. And I'm going to provide you with a couple tips on how to plug and play these products easily so that you can just capture the photos and not have to create multiple setups. So I already have the setup styled. We've got one of the products in there. The first thing I recommend is trying to shoot either on if you're using natural light, shoot on a day where you might have some consistency in your light. So either a bright sunny day or an overcast day like it is for me today. If you have kind of a cloudy or scattered cloudy day, those clouds are going to move over the sun and then they're going to move away and you're going to see a huge shift in your light back and forth, which can create some issues when it comes to having to just constantly reset your exposure. The goal here is to make the time you're spending photographing your products faster and to create more consistency between your images. So having a light setup, whether that's artificial or natural light that can be consistent, is going to help see that consistency in your photos. So if you're using natural light, like I said, you're going to get the most consistency from a bright sunny day with very little clouds in the sky or a complete overcast day. Next, it's really important that you go ahead and you set up a tripod and your camera. Doesn't matter if you're shooting with a smartphone or if you're shooting with, this is an entry-level DSLR. No matter what you're shooting with, if you can actually set up your tripod, set up your camera, set and lock that exposure on your camera and frame the image properly, then it really comes down to simply just plug and playing each of the products into the setup, snapping the photos quick, and this will make the process so much faster and easier for you in the long run. Before you go and shoot the product, just double check to make sure your exposure looks good, everything's framed properly, and all of that. And then you're going to go ahead and capture a few images. I typically recommend capturing a couple different exposures just because sometimes, especially if you're shooting on a smartphone, sometimes you can have a hard time seeing that exposure on the LCD screen. So 2 to 3 exposures. If you're using your smartphone, if you tap the screen and hold, you'll see this AEAF lock pop up on the top of your phone, and that will let you know that your exposure and your focus is locked, which is going to be helpful when you go to plug and play. If you need to adjust your exposure on a smartphone, you're simply going to typically swipe with a slider. Androids like left and right, and iPhones are up and down. So make sure you lock that focus and exposure. So I went ahead and took 3 photos of this product, and I'm going to go ahead and just simply swap it out with this one. Another tip, if you have a setup like this, I'm using my grid inside of my computer. I have my DSLR camera Bluetooth to my computer screen. So I'm using the grid inside of my computer for placement purposes. You can also turn the grid on in your smartphone and you can use those grid lines to make sure you're properly placing the product in the same spot. Or you can put a marker on your backdrop, on the shelf, whatever you're doing, you can put a marker so that when you go to place the next product, you know exactly where it needs to go. I'm just kind of looking at my framing here. And sometimes these steps, they take a little bit of time, like setting up your camera is gonna take a little time, all of that, but it's time that's gonna save you in the long run. Because if you can take that time to set your camera up, great. And then like I said, you're just coming in here and you're just plug and playing the product. I'm gonna do a couple exposures. And that's it, guys. So if you sell coffee mugs or you sell any type of, maybe you sell necklaces, candles, any type of beauty product, if you create one styled setup that works for your product, works for your brand, attracts your ideal customer, you can easily take these steps to set up the light, set up your tripod and your camera, and just plug and play the product and capture a bunch of product photos at once. See you next time.